all, trying to win, afraid to fall. We raise our voices, close our eyes. Truth gets lost in the confusion. Every war, both big and small, starts with one thing: ego standing tall. We say we're right, they say we're wrong, but no one hears the other song. Ego must fall, let it break tonight. Lay down your guard, step into the light. We lose it all just to feel so strong, but love can't live where pride belongs. Ego must fall to free us all. Mirrors lie when fear takes hold. We defend what we've been told. Holding on, we bleed inside just to keep our wounded pride. What if peace begins with me? What if I choose empathy? No more labels, no high ground, only truth when silence sounds. I don't need to prove my name to put an end to all this pain. Ego must fall, let it break tonight. Lay down your guard, step into the light. We lose it all just to feel so strong, but love can't live where pride belongs. Ego must fall to free us all. Let it go, the need to win, that's where healing can begin. When I'm wrong, I'll say it loud. I don't need to save my pride. Hand in hand, no enemy, just broken hearts learning to be free. Ego must fall, hear the call.